The tariff emperor awakens. In a world already bruised by inflation, rising debt, and political chaos, one man has decided that tariffs, yes, those ancient taxes on imported goods, are the ultimate weapon to make his empire great again. And his name is Donald J. Trump. Not a swordsman, not a general, but a man of tweets, suits, and oversized red caps. Sitting in a golden tower once named after himself, Trump looks at global trade numbers and frowns. We have a trade deficit. That means they're winning. His logic? Simple. If the US buys more than it sells, the other countries must be cheating. So, he picks up his sharpest weapon, a presidential pen, and slams down tariffs on steel, aluminum, cars, cheese, and even washing machines. Suddenly, the global economy trembles. In Washington, D.C., advisors rush in. Economists scream. Wall Street weeps. One of them yells, "Sir, raising tariffs will raise prices for our own people." Trump replies, "Then they'll buy American, or they'll buy nothing. Either way, I win." Meanwhile, factories that shut down in the 90s still remain shut. Only now, they echo with chants of America first. In Beijing, President Xi sips green tea as news of the tariffs reaches him. He smirks. The Emperor of Deals has declared war, with spreadsheets. Behind him, digital dragons rise. Alibaba, Huawei, TikTok swirling with data, AI, and global influence. But this war isn't about who makes more shoes or exports more soybeans. It's about control. And here's the kicker. While Trump obsesses over tangible products like cars and steel, America's real exports are invisible. Cut to Silicon Valley. Apple, Google, Meta, Microsoft. These companies don't ship crates across oceans. They export digital dominance, data, software, cloud services, and platforms that control attention, emotions, and even elections. Yet none of this is counted properly in traditional trade balances. No customs officer checks your Facebook addiction at the border. No tariff is applied when Netflix invades your household. So while Trump rants about physical goods, America quietly wins the real war, the one fought on screens. Still, the tariffs keep coming. Scene, a parody Chinese ad. A chubby, confused American man sits in a dusty old textile mill. He's sewing jeans, sweating buckets, surrounded by rusty machines. The ad ends with the line, "Made in America, like it's 1953. Back in the US, grocery prices rise. Farmers protest. And trade partners retaliate. But Trump isn't backing down. In the Situation Room, surrounded by his economic avengers, Cole Carl, Banker Barbie, and NRA 4000. He slams a glowing red button labeled Tariff Everything. If they want to play dirty, I invented the game. In Europe, French officials sip espresso and mutter, "Did he just tariff wine?" Meanwhile, Canada, polite as ever, sends a gift basket, which gets taxed at the border. Nighttime. Oval Office. Trump stands in front of a mirror. Behind him, a ghostly slideshow plays. Saddam, Gaddafi, a ruined Libya, a broken Iraq. He doesn't blink. He puts on his red tie like a warrior tightening his armor. They think they can win with tech? They forget. I have asterisk tariffs, oil deals, and a very big button. As the camera zooms out, the world map lights up in red zones, trade routes blocked, allies confused, economies bracing. The tariff titan has risen.